Good afternoon, everybody. This is immigration attorney Irene Weisman. Today is Wednesday, December 18th, 2024. On Monday, I attended an all-day conference. It's a New York-based conference for immigration attorneys done through AILA, American Immigration Lawyers Association. I try to go every year when it's held in New York. Usually very useful, all-day learning. Part of the program is meeting with local officials from our local USCIS, ERO, EOIR, which is Immigration Court, Office of Chief Counsel, which is our opposing counsel when we defend your case in Immigration Court, and CBP, okay, JFK, from JFK. So some takeaways from the meetings with these leaders. Nobody knows much, and if they do, they're not going to tell us much. But I mean, we do know some things, right? We can guess. We've been through this before, but I mean, in reality, they really didn't tell us much. I'm going to try to quickly run through some of the things. Immigration Court. Big news with 589 applications, with defensive 589 applications. If you're submitting your asylum application in Immigration Court, how, whether you then have to submit it at the service center or not will depend. So the DHS has issued new instructions for that. They are available. They're published. You can Google them. Literally came out Monday. Okay, so you'll see whether they are the old instructions or the new instructions. The new ones came out Monday. Now, not everybody will have to send the request for biometrics, with the duplicate copy of the 589 and everything to the service center. So if you wanted to take a look at those, you can Google them, print them out, take a look, read them. You will see that does not affect any other defensive applications, such as cancellation of removal, the 42As or Bs, 485, 601s. So this only has to do with the 589s, okay? Office of Chief Counsel, if you have a request for prosecutorial discretion, they're going to try and get to it. Priority goes to those people that have a pending hearing coming up. If it's not something that's currently coming up, they're probably not going to get to it, but they said that they're going to try. So if you do want to make that request for PD, go ahead and try it. ICE, okay, ERO, enforcement and removal operations. So all the emails they've had before for check-ins, those are still available, okay? They're available until they tell us that they're not available. So that's still out there. ICE check-ins, your attorney can still accompany you. They ask that you don't bring the entire entourage with you. So it's the person who has the appointment plus your attorney. That's it. It has to do with the with the fire department violations and the building codes and basically room capacities. They simply just don't have the capacity to house everybody, to sit everybody. So you plus your attorney. Parole requests are being entertained. If if you think you're eligible, speak with your lawyer. They'll still entertain those requests. That hasn't been eliminated, at least not yet. CBP, Customs and Border Protection, if you entered the country legally, okay, as you know, there is no more I-94s, haven't been in a long time. You go on, you settle in your hotel or in your home, whatever, you go in and on the CBP's website, you check your I-94, which you should every time you've entered the country and you're not a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. So you check it in and you see if you find that there is a mistake. They admitted you under the wrong category, or there a mistake in the name or something else. There are ways to fix those issues, and you should fix those mistakes Okay, there is a designated email. They look at it, they respond to it, they'll fix it. Okay, if it's their mistake, they'll fix it. So if on you to check, if you find a mistake, reach out. There's ways to fix it. Okay. What else? Queens field office, as you know, it's no longer at 26 Federal Plaza. I may have discussed this before. So the Queens field office is now located in its own building in Long Island City. There's plans to do the same for the Brooklyn field office. It hasn't happened yet. It's still at 26 Federal. That may change. If it does, I will let you know as soon as that happens. Okay. So I mean, it was an all-day conference. Okay, so a lot was discussed. A lot of it is very, very technical. I just wanted to give you the takeaways from the very specific meetings with the local government officials. Okay. And as we're going to have these meetings, because we periodically do, I'll keep you updated as to what they tell us. But those are the takeaways from Monday's meeting. And that's it for today. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you soon. Irene Weisman with you, your immigration attorney. Have a great day, everybody.